I agree to upload this video YouTube.
Thank you. Let's solve your problem from your homework assignment. In the left corner, not here, but in the left corner, write the matrix. Matrix is the following: -1, -1, -1,
Yes.
and again -1,
-1.
then -3,
3.
-3,
-3.
and 3.
3.
Yes. This is the first row. And next row.
Yes.
4.
4.
Yes. 1, 1,
1.
1. And -9.
-9.
9. Then -2,
-2.
-1,
-1.
-3,
-3.
and 5.
And
5. So then 2 brackets. Yes. The problem is to transform this matrix, which is not in echelon form. We should transform this matrix to echelon form. This is done in several steps. So, in the echelon form, if we have here -1, here there should be 0 and 0. We should make 0 and we should make this number also 0. Therefore, we draw an arrow with circle. So this row will be added to this row, but not simply, but with coefficient. We choose the coefficient 4. Why? Because if we take -1 multiplied by 4, that will be -4.
-4.
And then we shall add to here.
Indefinite.
-4 is added to this 4, and that will be 0. Therefore, let's write this sign, and then repeat this row. -1, -1, -3, and 3. Then repeat this row. -2, -1, -3, and 5. And we should write here some other row, which is transformed. So we take this number -1, multiply by 4. This -4, and then add -4 to this 4, and it will be 0. Then we take this -1, multiply by 4,
-4.
-4 plus 1, -4 plus 1.
-4 plus 1.
Yes.
-3.
What will be? -3. Yes. Then we multiply this -3 by 4.
-12.
-12, and then add -12 to this one. -11. Well, then multiply this 3 by 4.
12.
12, and add -9.
-9. -6.
No, 12 minus 9.
-9.
Yes. 12 minus 9.
3. -3.
No.
3.
What? So we have done the first step.
From where did you get the number 4?
I need to get here 0.
Yeah.
And with this intention, I choose 4. Because here I see -1 and here 4. I need to make here 0.
Oh, yeah.
With this purpose, I choose 4. Well, then I need to have here also 0. I draw the circle, and which number I should put here in order to get here 0? -2, yes. And then again this sign. The sign is called implication. This row is copied, this row is changed, and this row is just repeat it here. So first two rows are just
Okay. Minus 1, minus 2.
Yes, 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 yes.
Minus 2, 0, 0.
no. First row is unchanged. It's just a copy of. And I ask you, please, if we have mistaken in some place, tell me. Okay? So follow us. No, no. This row will be changed. You need to copy this one.
This, not this.
Not this. This one will be changed because the arrow comes here.
Okay. Minus 1, 2.
Minus 1 here. Minus 1. Multiply. Dot. Then this minus 2 two brackets. Then
Minus 3.
plus minus 1.
Zero.
What is it? Minus 1 by minus 2.
موجب بلس 0 بلس 0
No, not 0.
0 واحد في اثنين
Not 0. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2.
Minus 1. Minus 2.
This,
Minus
this
three,
would be
minus-
this would be just 2.
Minus three.
Not minus. Because minus and minus gives plus.
Plus.
Plus,
Plus.
plus 2.
Plus 2.
And minus 1.
and minus 1 plus 1
Yes. Right, plus 1. Okay. Then do the same with this now.
minus 3 and
Right here.
plus 1
Plus minus 3. Usually minus 3 is taken in brackets.
minus 1 3
Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 is
plus 1 plus
what this part. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2.
plus plus 5
Multiplication.
Plus 6. Plus 6.
6 minus 3.
minus 3
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Yes.
3
Plus 5.
3 6 plus 5 minus 1
6 minus 1. Yes. Well, now we see here minus 3 and minus 1. That is plus 1.
plus 1
We need to make it, this one 0 or we need to make this one 0. Which is more convenient? If we multiply this by 1 over 3, we have fractional numbers. We do not need fractional numbers. Therefore, let's do to the reverse direction. So, and we need to get here 0. Which number should we place?
One.
No. Here we have minus 3 and we need to get 0.
Minus
1 multiplied by this number plus this number.
1.
Well, that's right. 1 multiplied by x plus minus 3 should be 0.
Plus 3.
Yes. So x is equal to 0. We write here the number 3. And then perform our operation. I'm sorry, no. This is copied, but this is changed. So only this. Well, but first of all, you should copy here.
This grouping, not this.
Not this, because here we have the arrow.
Okay.
The place where the arrow comes is changed. No, you take this number 1, because
Or this or here.
well, you can start with this 0. Okay, then 0 plus minus 1. 0
0.
times 3 plus
0. 0.
0. So here we have 0. And usually, if you see here 0 and here 0, the result always will be 0. So you should omit this.
0.
You should start with this. 1 multiplied by 3. Well, in the case where this number is not negative, you need not this brackets. Only
With minus 1.
if you have a negative number, then you should use brackets.
And plus
What is
0.33 plus 3 0.
0? Minus what?
Minus 2. Minus 3.
Minus 2. Yes, minus 2. Minus 2.
3 minus 1. Minus 3 plus 3 minus 3. No. Minus 9.
1,
0.
0, 0. Because
Okay.
this is multiplication, this is dot.
Yeah. Sign 0.
Well, it is step 1. Then we see that minus 2. We can make it 1. There is a special operation where you write this circle with no other arrows, and you write minus 1 over 2. This is just a coefficient. This means that we need to multiply this row by this coefficient. Well, no, here. This row is not changed, this row is not changed, only this row is changed. Just multiply this row by minus.
Okay.
So 0, 0. And this is multiplied by this. With minus 2.
No, minus 2.
Multiplied by minus 1 over 2. With minus 2 in brackets. Nothing to add, just equal. Can you multiply fractions?
Can we how you measure what
This one is cancelled with the denominator.
4.
No, this is in the denominator. So minus and minus yields plus. 2 by 1 is 2, and 2 in the denominator. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2.
What do we want? 1.
Yes.
But why we didn't change it? We say minus 2 multiplied plus 2. Why it is not 4?
Because this one is not fraction. This number is not fraction. A over B, C over D is equal to A, C over B, D. If we have nothing here, then nothing.
Yeah.
So that's just the rule of multiplying fractions. Well, here 1. Okay. 1. Well, then here 2 initial zeros, here 1 initial zero, and here no initial zero. Therefore, we need to make in such a way that the initial zeros, the number of initial zeros increases. For this purpose, let's exchange this 2. No, without zero. Just 2. Yes. Bidirectional arrow. So this row goes here and this goes here. They are exchanged. Exchanged. Swapped.
Yes. Slope.
So let's go there. And right, the matrix with exchange rules. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, and 3. Алло, Мария, вы сказали закрыть 502, но ключ не оставили. Но лучше занесите. Yes, correct. Correct. Good. We have one, and minus one. Let's make this minus one converted to one. Therefore, write the circle like here. And write minus one. No, not over two. Just minus one. And we shall multiply all this row by minus one.
This.
Not only this way. And we shall not add two other rows. Just
Okay.
this unchanged, this unchanged. Only the first row is changed. Не вложил. Сюда не положил. Хорошо, вот да, здесь есть. Я тоже там. Хорошо.
-1, -1.
Minus one, yes, it converted to one.
1.
And this is also one.
1. 3.
Yes. And
-3.
minus. Okay. Well, now it is at echelon form. Let's write stairs. Downward, to the right. Downward, to the right. Downward. And to the right until the end. Echelon form. But we need reduced echelon form. We need reduced echelon form. So we should continue. 1, 1, 1, that's good. That's a sign that it is some close to echelon form. But here we should have 0, and here we should have 0, and here we should have 0. Because above the ones which are at the beginning of rows, we should have zeros. Therefore, let's write we need to get here 0.
0.
Therefore, here x 1 multiplied by x plus 3 should be 0. What is the x?
Minus.
Minus?
Plus
No.
X should be equal.
3. Plus.
-3.
No, minus 3.
Yes.
So, right here, minus 3. And just perform this operation. This row is not changed. Zero, 0, 0, 1, 0. And this row will be changed.
0, 3.
0, 0, and that will be 0.
0.
Then 0 multiplied by minus 0, 0 is added to 1. No. This number is multiplied by this number, then the result is added to this 1. 1, yes. Then 1 multiplied by minus 3,
1 minus 3.
minus 3, and this minus 3 is added to this 3, 0. Then this 0 is multiplied by minus 3 with 0 and added to this minus 1. Therefore, minus 1. Good. And the next step. We need to have 0 at this place. By means of this one. Therefore, you write local here and choose x in such a way that 1 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, x equals 1 right here. This row is not changed, this row is not changed, and this row is changed.
Chain. No.
0 multiplied by minus 3, that's 0. 0 and 0 added to 1. 0 plus 1.
Plus 1.
So 1. Here is similar. 0 to minus 3 is 0. Then 0 plus 1 is 1.
Okay.
Then 1 to minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Then this 0 is multiplied by minus 3 is 0. 0 plus minus 3 is minus 3. As it follows, I just copy. And the last step, we should have 0 at this position.
This is 0.
We should make it 0. Therefore, we take this one, draw, and 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 0.
Minus 1.
Right here, minus 1. Then, draw. This one is not changed, and this one is not changed.
Yeah.
So, last two rows are unchanged.
1 minus 1. 0. Minus 0, no?
No, just copy these two lines.
Okay, 0.
0 minus 1. No, we start with it here. So 0 multiplied by minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 multiplied by 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Oh, no, I'm sorry. No, this goes. So not 1 but 0. This is correct. So 1 here is 1. 0 by minus
1. 0.
Then 0 is added to this one.
1.
Then this one is multiplied by minus 1. Minus 1.
Minus 1 and 1. Minus 0.
Then 0 by minus 1 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then minus 1 by minus 1. 1 and minus 3 minus 2. And that's all, because we have stairs. Yeah, downward and until the end. So at the edges of stairs we have lines. So each line is beginning with 1. Each stair is beginning with 1. And above these ones we have zeros. Above this one, this 0. Above this one, this 0 and this 0. That's all. It's a reduced echelon form. So this is